In this video, I will show you exactly how to fetch data from an external API and display it in a React application. Connecting to an API is a fundamental skill for any developer, which allows your app to communicate with the real world. To begin this process, we first need to set up our functional component and prepare a place to store our data. We will use the useState hook to create a piece of state that will hold the information we receive from the server. Once our state is ready, we need a way to trigger the data fetch when the component first loads. For this task, we will use the useEffect hook, which is perfect for handling side effects like network requests. Inside this hook, we are going to write an asynchronous function using the fetch API built right into the browser. This function will send a GET request to our target URL and wait for a response. After the response arrives, we must convert that raw data into a readable format using the JSON method. It is also a very good practice to use a try-catch block around your code to handle any potential network errors gracefully. If the data is successfully retrieved, we will update our state with the result using the setter function we created earlier. Finally, we move to the return statement of our component where we can map through the data array and render it as a list on the screen. Try it out now in your own local environment.